Going up.
Do you guys mind if I hop in with you?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. 19, please.
Gotcha. Spaces. Some more mono spaces.
Nice.
Is this a good trend? There you go. Want to start? Start there. So the elevators of the 88 apartments. While you're starting, I might as well just take a cab.
Because there were a slew of people in the lobby and I didn't want to start down there. The elevator wants to kill me. How's that door hold up?
So smooth.
What does this do?
It's a key card reader.
Doesn't stop us. Is it broken? This is a nice cab.
Yeah.
It's kind of shaky.
Want to switch?
Yeah.
Send it down to 1.
That's an interesting thing. I don't know, I feel like there should be a foot elevator behind that door.
Yeah, it's odd that there's only 3.
Hey guys.
Hello. There is an amenities floor. It might be like 20. Oh, we got the fire elevator. This one has a rear door. This might be their service elevator.
Yep. You got it? Ooh. Orange. This one looks a little different. Here you go.
Around on 20.
Sure.
No, they have a rooftop floor here.
Got a little speed. Does KONE have like an emergency stop?
Yeah. It's that key.
Good to know.
Interesting.
It freaked me out. I thought someone was getting out.
Look at cab view. 4,000 pound capacity on this car. Permit down there. Nice cabs. These are some of the tallest mono spaces I've ridden.
This is the other one, also mono space, right?
Yeah.
And that's
Second
20
floor.
Second floor. Interesting. Alright.
I wonder where the amenities are. You on the hunt for them?
Alright. That's it.